Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a safe backup and eliminating simple causes. Close Endnote and Word now, then copy your enl and corresponding data folder to a different drive. This preserves work if recovery is needed. Once done, restart Endnote while holding Shift to disable custom styles and display settings. This rules out corrupt preferences. If the app still crashes, make sure your library file size isn't excessive and note any recent changes, plugins, updates, or new citations that could explain the error. Now you run targeted repairs to isolate the fault. Use File Utilities Recover Library to rebuild the database. This fixes index corruption while keeping citations. If recovery fails, export references in small batches as XML or ENL to find the batch that errors. This isolates corrupted records. Make sure to detach PDFs and re-import them separately, since embedded attachments often cause issues. Once you find a bad record, delete or recreate it and rerun recovery to stabilize the library. Finish by restoring the connection between Endnote and Word so citations insert correctly. First, reinstall the site while you write plugin from the Endnote installer and follow prompts. Then open Word and check templates and add-ins to enable the Endnote CWIL bundle. If citations still fail, repair or replace the normal. DOTM template in Word to remove stray macros. One troubleshooting tip: if edits seem lost, test in a new document. If that works. Migration of content, not Endnote, is often the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.